Hey, gonna do a quick review on where my kids are right. Conair 1875 hair dryer. I'm not gonna plug this in and turn it on because it's probably a bit too loud on this video. Here's your plug-in. You plug it into the wall. It's got two different speeds, the high and low. Here's the where the air blows out. Plug here's got where you can test it, make sure it's working or not. Got two buttons there. Got a pretty nice little cord to go with it. It's a pretty good little hair dryer. You're just gonna have to wait. You wanna say hi to your buddy? You wanna say hi to your buddy? You wanna say hi? Say hi. Sonny. Say hi. You wanna say hi? Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Sonny. You wanna say hi? Good girl. Sorry about that. She wouldn't bark and get attention on the video. Here's it's a pretty good little dryer. Hair dryer. We've had it for probably about a year now. And my roommate actually used it to dry some clothes one morning about a month ago. She needed it for work. Dryer wasn't working, and she had to dry some clothes real quick before she had to go to work. It's got a pretty nice little handle. Like I said, it's got two different switches on the low and two different settings for it, both the high and low to use to dry your hair with. Here's the back of it. It's a nice little hair dryer. I don't know how much my roommate paid for it, and it's a pretty good little hair dryer. Like I said, I don't want to plug it in and turn it on. It's probably be too loud. Probably would be too loud on the video. This is the Conair 1875 hair dryer.